Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials and fun. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, check out our playlist. You will find approximately 273 videos that will help you in cracking interview on trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, WFM analyst, Six Sigma certifications, MS Excel dashboard, reports, Looker Studio. Many more videos are there that will surely help you in cracking the interviews. So today we will learn Dsum function. Basically, what is the use of Dsum function? You can see here we have locate and we have the sales, and I want the overall sum as per the location. So most of the time we will use sum function, right? So instead of sum we can use the dsum function. So how we can use this, let's learn together. You guys know this, how to add the drop down. So I just added all the locations here, and let's see how we can use it. To get these details, make sure the location title what we have added here to remain same. Okay, there should be no changes in the title, and the names what we have added here, those should be same as per the database what we have. So let's start the function dsum equal to dsum and bracket open. In the first you have to choose the entire database, which is from the title to the entire details whatever we have. Oh yeah, it is done. Then comma. Second you have to choose what information we require sales, so we will choose the sales from here, from the result section. And the last what we will choose location and title and the location, and then bracket close. If you see here, for the Delhi we have received 2500, and if you do the calculation, 500 plus 1000 1500 plus 1000 2500. Makes sense, right? We got our average here with the help of dsum function. If you do Mumbai, you will get 4000 here. Let me change something here, like if I change from Delhi to Mumbai here, my calculation will move high. Yes, 4500, you can see. So this is the use of definitely it will help you in many of the reports, and you can work on your reports more aggressively and neatly, guys. Still have any doubt? We have a feedback session open, guys. Please share your feedback and post watching the video. Don't miss to click the option and like option. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.